and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie recipe for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So today I have a green smoothie recipe for you guys, and I hope it goes good because green smoothies are one of those things that it can either go really bad or be surprisingly really good. So we shall see. So today we're going to be using baby spinach for our green. We have a banana, we have mango and pineapple chunks, we have some almond milk, and I don't typically add sweeteners to my smoothies just because I don't feel like it really needs it. But for this particular recipe, I'm going to be adding some of my monk fruit sweetener. It's a 1-to-1 ratio with sugar, but it comes from monk fruit, so it's definitely better than normal sugar. So I'm going to use that just because it is a green smoothie and it can get bitter sometimes or not taste too good, and just for this recipe I think it's just best to add a little bit more of that sweetener. If you want, you don't have to. Some people don't mind it at all, but I'm a super taster, and bitter and things like that, I'm very sensitive to bitter, to spice, to salt, to things like that. So definitely want to add some sweetener here, but I hope this one turns out good. If I posted it, then it probably did, but I'm scared to take the first sip. I don't know. I've had bad green smoothies before, and I hope this isn't one of them. So, like I said in my previous video, I typically like to have about a cup of your frozen fruit. So I just did half mango and half pineapple. For the spinach, you're just going to want to grab like a handful. There's not really an exact measurement, just you know. And then for the monk fruit sweetener, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon and just see how that is. So let's grab our NutriBullet here, and then we'll get to adding all these ingredients in. Definitely let me know in the comment section below what kind of green smoothies that you guys liked or hated, because like I said, I've had some pretty nasty ones before. So it's really something special when you can find one that tastes good, because it's good to have like more vegetable smoothies and green smoothies. There's so many antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, so many good things in there. And it's a good way to, and an easy way, to get some vegetables incorporated into your diet or into a meal like really quickly and kind of like effortlessly. So, but then if you go and make one that tastes nasty, it's just going to put you off to the vegetables altogether. Now with this one, I have our almond milk, and I'm using a cup like I typically do, but depending on the consistency that you guys want or how much spinach you guys are adding, then you might want to play around with that a little bit. But I'm just going to start with the cup, and then we'll see how that goes. And we have our monk fruit sweetener, and then we just have our spinach. Now this particular recipe doesn't have any protein powder in it, just because I don't know, I think that's kind of gross in like a green smoothie to have like vanilla and chocolate with spinach, or I don't know. But I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit, and then we'll get to blending. Alright, so I hope this comes out good, you guys. I mean, this looks really good, but you never know. Alright, get this bad boy on there. How green that is. This kind of looks like that, what is it, Kourtney Kardashian, like avocado smoothie or whatever. If you guys want me to make one of those, definitely let me know. I've heard good things about it, surprisingly, or like the avocado pudding or the different things that she makes, but I've never had an avocado in my smoothie before, so I'd be curious to check it out. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to incorporate avocados or something in a smoothie. Interesting. Now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this over to another cup, and then we're going to try some. Okay guys, so I'm a little nervous. I don't know, but I'm going to try some. This is definitely a thinner consistency than some of the other smoothies, so if you don't like that, if you're a big texture person or you like things to be really thick or creamy or whatever it is, you can go ahead and add some more of the frozen fruit, or start with, you know, let's say half of a cup at a time of your milk or whatever liquid it is that you're using. But let's try some. Oh, thank God. I was so nervous. This is really good, you guys. It's not bitter at all. It's actually sweet. It doesn't seem like it would be like sweet, you know what I mean? But it's super good. And it's, even though it is, you know, more of a thinner consistency than the other smoothies, it's still smooth and creamy, if that makes sense. Like, there's no chunks of anything. You don't have leaves all over here. Like, everything blends up really nicely, and it's very sweet and creamy. I'm surprised. Oh, this is good. Thank God. Oh, you guys, whoever has had like a bad green smoothie, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That like you just trying another one, even if you've heard like they're amazing, it's like you just don't want to. You're so hesitant because all you can like picture in your head and start to taste in your mouth is like the gross one that you had. But this is really, really good, you guys, I promise. And this is also coming from a super taster that took me like 20 years to even eat broccoli because it was just so bitter and like I couldn't eat it. Now I'll eat it raw, and I like, my taste has changed and different things, but I'm very sensitive to bitter and to spice and all that kind of stuff, like I said. And this is really good. It's not bitter at all. It's very sweet. And I only added 1 tablespoon of that monk fruit sweetener. I'm sure even without that it would be okay, because it's not like I'm sitting here like, oh, I definitely needed more. But this is really, really good, you guys. Can't wait for you guys to try this one at home. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who loves green smoothies, or anybody who's had a really bad experience like me and you want to actually share them a good one that's not nasty and it's healthy for you, and you're not going to be cringing and like holding your nose every time you want to just like take a sip. And as always, if you guys want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. This is so good.